Osteology. Components of spongy bone. Some bony trabeculae are bone spicules interdigitating with each other and with lot of air spaces between them. Type 1 collagen. Osteoblasts involved in bone formation. Osteocytes involved in maintenance of bone structure. Osteoblasts, they form the organic bone or osteoid. Osteoid is calcified. Osteoid has calcium phosphate OH- ions. They are also called as hydroxyapatite crystals HACs. These HACs give strength to bone. Compact bone reduces in thickness towards the ends of bone. Spongy bone becomes thicker towards the ends of bone. Endochondral ossification. Important information. Normally, hyaline cartilage can repair itself because it has perichondrium. Hyaline cartilage at the ends of bone is called articular cartilage. The articular cartilage lacks perichondrium. Therefore, if an articular cartilage is damaged like in old age due to osteoarthritis, the articular cartilage cannot repair itself. Osteon. Osteon, it is the structural and functional unit of bone. Here we can see in a small section of bone, there is compact bone at the periphery, spongy bone towards the marrow cavity. Endosteum lines the inner surface of medullary cavity of bone. Periosteum covers the outer surface of the bones. Osteoprogenitor cells, they are stem cells that divide to form the osteoblasts. They are present at the endosteum and periosteum. Osteoblasts, it is an immature bone cell. They form organic matrix or osteoid. This osteoid is mineralized or calcified later. Osteocytes, it is a mature bone cell. After the osteoid is mineralized, osteoblasts also mature and forms the osteocytes. Osteocytes maintain the bone matrix. Osteocyte has multiple processes which are passing into the canaliculi. The canaliculi are responsible for the nutrition and oxygen requirement of osteocytes. Haversian canal. These are longitudinal canals running in the bone. Haversian canals are also interconnected with each other through transverse canals called the Volkmann's canal. They carry neurovascular bundles. These canaliculi are interconnecting channels which are connecting to these Haversian canals. Osteoclasts. These are multinucleated cells. These are also known as bone-eating cells. The cells are responsible for resorption of bone. They help in remodeling of bone. They remove calcium and phosphate from bone and send it to bloodstream. Osteon has a central canal called as Haversian canal. Haversian canal carries the neurovascular bundles. Artery carries the O2 and nutrients towards the cells. Vein carries the CO2 and metabolites away from the cells. Osteocytes are sitting in the lacunae of bone structure. These osteocytes are connected to each other and to Haversian canals through the canaliculi. Osteocytes are arranged concentrically around the Haversian canals. This arrangement forms the osteon. Towards the periphery, periosteum has two layers, outer fibrous layer, inner cellular layer, containing osteoprogenitor cells. Osteoprogenitor cells form osteoblasts. These osteoblasts keep in maturing and moving towards the interior, where they get trapped within the lacunae surrounding by calcified matrix and become osteocytes. Endosteum also has osteoprogenitor cells and osteoblasts. In osteoblasts are also found lining the central canal. Main parts: canaliculi, osteocytes in the lacunae, matrix, central canal, blood vessels. Fibrous layer, cellular layer, periosteum. Canaliculi, osteocytes in the lacunae, matrix, central canal, blood vessels.